Parkinson's disease has affected millions of people across the globe, and relying merely on medication does not offer you a significant improvement in your condition. Are you too worried about your shaky and trembling body movement, or do you find trouble balancing your body posture? Have you tried out every possible thing that could benefit you in Parkinson's, but you did not come to any support that can truly help you in Parkinson's? To balance your treatment and get relief from your Parkinson's, I think you should consider adding regular exercise to your treatment regime to speed up healing. Yes, since it is a movement problem, so Parkinson's friendly exercises will surely benefit you a lot. I will tell you some exercises that will help you manage your condition. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Amisha, a neurospecialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I have profound clinical experience and knowledge in treating neurological disorders over the years. In today's video, I will advise you on some Parkinson-friendly exercises that help you manage your condition to an extent. So let's begin. See, Parkinson's disease is a movement and balance disorder that affects the control of your body muscles. Again, this condition arises due to damage to the nerve cells in the brain that produce dopamine, a neurotransmitter that is crucial for the control and coordination of your muscles. A low level of dopamine inhibits the communication between nerve cells, leading to symptoms like tremors in the hands, stiffness of the neck, and loss of balance. Well, as we know, millions of people are suffering from Parkinson's disease, and they mostly rely on the traditional medicines that subdue their symptoms for some time, but fail to offer a complete relief in the long run. No doubt, diet and exercise are two key aspects of Parkinson's treatment that speed up the recovery. There are many exercises for Parkinson's, which include stretching and flexibility exercises, aerobic exercises, strength training exercises, and balance exercises. Depending on your condition, you can opt for what suits you best. So, if you want to know which and how to do custom Parkinson exercises, stay tuned and do not miss a single second of this video. Before moving on to the main exercises, let's start with some warm-up exercises so that your body gets accustomed to further exercises. In warm-up exercises, you can do arm swings, hand rolling, and foot tapping. These will improve blood pressure and mobility. Arm swings. Stand straight. Push one hand forward and the other backward. Repeat this 15 times. Hand rolling. Sit or stand straight. Place your thumb on your palm and curl your fingers around it. Roll both your hands once clockwise and anti-clockwise. Repeat this for 20 times. Foot tapping. Sit in a chair, keep your legs straight and place your feet on the floor. Lift your both feet and tap each other smoothly. Repeat this for 10 times. Okay, so now we will begin with stretching and flexibility exercises. These exercises will help you relieve stiffness and rigidity in the neck, shoulder, and chest. Neck stretching. Sit or stand straight, tilt your head towards one side of your shoulder, hold it for 10 seconds and move it back to its original position. Keep your head straight up for 10 seconds and repeat the same process with the other side. Do this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes. Shoulder rolls. Sit or stand straight, keep your head up and watch straight. Roll your shoulders once forward and backward. Feel relaxed. Repeat this for 5 to 7 times. Alternate hand lifting. Sit or stand straight, keep your hands straight, lift your one hand up and then move back to its original place. Wait for 5 seconds. Repeat the same with the other hand too. Do this exercise for 5 to 7 times a day. The second is balance exercises. These exercises will help you improve stability and coordination and can prevent falls and injuries. Heel to toe walking. Just stand straight and place your feet together. Slowly take a step forward with one foot. Place your heel directly in front of the toes of your other foot. Repeat the step with the other foot. Do this 10 to 15 steps a day. Leg stand. Take a footstool, place your one leg on the stool and keep it for 10 seconds. Repeat the same with the other leg. Do this for 10 to 15 times. It will strengthen your legs and improve mobility. The third is aerobic exercises. These exercises are beneficial for improving heart health, endurance, and overall mobility. So let's try out how to do them. Simple walk. A simple walk for 10 to 15 minutes a day can improve stamina, strength, and muscle mobility. You can walk either in your garden or outside of your home. Jogging. Not intense, but mild jogging for 10 minutes can be beneficial for Parkinson patients. Avoid these exercises if you find it difficult to perform. Try out jogging with other partners to avoid any mishaps. Well, now I tell you about the fourth group of exercises. These are strength training exercises. These include leg lift. Sit in a chair, lift your one leg straight in front of you and hold for 5 seconds. Lower it back down and rest for 10 seconds. Repeat it with the other leg. Do this for at least 10 times. Wall push-ups. Stand at an arm's length distance from the wall. Slowly bend your elbows, pushing your chest forward. Push back up to the original position. Do this 10 times. Well, I hope you have gone through my complete exercises. You can opt for what suits you the best and in which you feel comfortable. Exercises indeed are very crucial for managing Parkinson as they directly affect your movement and balance. If you are very much concerned about your Parkinson disease and somehow want to get rid of your condition, then you may consider opting for a holistic treatment. I think a holistic treatment will suit you best in brain-related disorders as it's side-effect-free and effective and gently treats the patient within. Homeopathic medicines are potent and effective and act constitutionally, meaning they work on your existing conditions as well as psychological symptoms. Thus, it treats you both inside and outside. I have seen many patients in my clinical practice who got over their Parkinson's with just our customized homeopathic treatment plus diet and exercises. They are now living their lives with same mobility and balance they had. I also feel inspired when I see my patients recovering from their conditions. At Bharat Homeopathy, we work together under a single roof to make you feel free from shakes and tremors, and you can again rejoice with your same mobility. We have treated thousands of Parkinson's patients globally with our customized and 100% safe treatment regime. If you want to know about our homeopathic treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today. I know living with Parkinson's disease is really tough, but don't worry, we will do our best to get you over this condition in the shortest time possible. If you found my video helpful, please share it with others who might benefit and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more such health related information. Thanks. Have a nice day.